Hi guys, welcome back. This is Miss Dieguez. Today I want to talk to you about the surface area of cylinders. So I have a cylinder here for you, and what I'm going to do with that cylinder is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to slice along this dotted line. I'm going to cut along this dotted line, okay? And so this part here, the lateral part here, is going to unfold like this, right? It's like a piece of paper. So if we have a piece of paper going around a circle and then I slice it, then it's going to unfold like this. And then of course, the top and the bottom part are circles. What I want to talk to you about is the side length here. How long do you think this piece or this line is going to be here? Let's go back here, okay? So the answer is as long as the circumference of the circle here. Now why? Well, we have this circle here at the top, right? And the piece of paper that I have here originally was going around the circle here from end to end, right? So if it goes all around the circle, then that means that when I unfold it, this piece here is going to be the same as the circumference. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna flatten out this piece here. And when I do that, we end up with something that looks more like this. Now we recognize all of these shapes, right? This is a circle, a rectangle, and another circle. This here is called a net. This is net of a cylinder. Now, over here, I have the surface area of a cylinder. This is the formula, 2 pi r times h. This here refers to the area of the rectangle here. 2 pi r is circumference. So the circumference times the height gives you the area of the part of the rectangle here. Plus 2 pi r is going to refer to the area of both of those. So pi r squared is the area of one circle. We add times 2 because how many circles do we have? Well, we have 2. So that's why we add the times 2. So on any cylinder, on any right cylinder, you may use this surface area formula. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go over an example and I'm not gonna use the formula. I'm gonna go ahead and use the net instead. So I know that this is 15 there. The height of the cylinder is 15 and the radius is going to be 5. The first thing that I wanna do is I wanna figure out the area of one circle, and just one circle because both of these are the same, so I don't need to do the work for the other one. The answer is gonna be the same. So pi r squared, I know r is radius and the radius is 5. 5 squared is 5 times 5, so that's 25. 25 times pi equals 78.54. Pi is on the calculator. Okay, there's a key for pi on the calculator, or you can also just do 25 times 3.14. Okay, so moving on to the second step. I'm gonna find the area of the rectangle. For the area of the rectangle, I need length times width, right? Well, right now, I only have this length here, which is 15th. I'm gonna figure out the width here. Now we said that this is the same as the circumference of the circle since it goes all around. So I need to figure out the circumference, and the circumference is 2 pi r. 2 times pi times the radius. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 pi is 31.42. So that's not my answer. My answer is the area for the rectangle. So length times width. I know I have 15 times 31.42, which gives me 471.24. My next step is to add all of the areas together. So I'm gonna add the area of the circle, the rectangle, and the other circle. So 471.24, which is the area of the rectangle, plus 78.54, which is the area of the circle, plus 78.54, which is the area of the other circles. These two are the same, right? I add all of those together and it gives me 628.32 units squared. All right, so this is all for this. Again, you could have just gone straight and used the formula 2 pi times 5 times 15 plus 2 pi times 5 squared. And it could have given you the answer, should have given you the answer for the area of the cylinder as well. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to comment on the section for the homework. Have a great day.